Hi, my lazy chicks. I'm back, and today we're going to discuss how to download fonts to your iPhone. So if you've been trying to figure out how to get all those cool fonts that you have on your computer, in your design space, on the app, on your iPhone, this is the video. There's going to be 2 apps you need in order to get the fonts to your phone. So first, let's head on to our Apple Play Store. We want to get, and if you're on an Android, you're going to use your Google Play Store. You go to your Apple Store and you're going to download Cricut if you haven't already. Now, if you have, you can just open it on your iPhone or your tablet or whatever you have. You can go ahead and open it up. Also, if you have an iPhone, you're going to download iFont. Okay? Download that. I have that one too. Go ahead and update it. And you're going to download to your phone. If you have an Android, you can download Pronto. Which, go to that. Okay, Pronto. It's a red. Okay, you're gonna download that one. All right. So let's go to our Cricut Design Space app. So once you get it download, your beginning page will look like this. All right. So we're gonna click on New Project. And just to get us started and have a little bit of fun, we're going to type in our names. So let's look all the way to the bottom, and our second option is text. So you have image, then you have text. Let's click the text. And we have 3 options here. The first option is our Cricut options. It's a combination of free. And if you just download it, you'll get it free for like 90 days or 60 days. It might be 30 days. But when you just get your machine, they give you so many days free. But this first option, you have free and paid fonts. I've never used the free fonts. I'm sorry, I have used the free fonts. I've never used the paid fonts. Then you have system. Okay. Now system are all the ones that are in the system that are free or that you've downloaded to it. Okay. And then you have all, which is just a combination of both. All right, for now, I know everyone has the Arial bold, so let's use that, okay? So now we have it on Arial bold, and let's just type our names. My name is Melissa, okay? And that's pretty simple. And half of the fight of these shirts is how nice your font is. You can take a plain looking shirt to a really pretty shirt just because the font was pretty. So with this, it's kind of average. It's not ugly. It's thick. It's a great thing to weed with. You won't have much problems. But without a bunch of designs on the shirt, something this basic wouldn't really make the shirt pop, okay? So let me show you what we would do. So let's go ahead and pull up however you pull up your search engines. So on iPhone, it's Safari. On Android, however you get to your internet. And you're going to go to dafont.com. DAFONT.com. I know I have this southern accent, right? Can get kind of hard to understand me sometimes. All right. So when you get to dafont.com, just go back to the main page of it. I was searching Honeybee, but I don't really like that font. But I heard it was a popular one. We're going to go back to the beginning, all right? And we're just going to see what are some good fonts to download. So let's look. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's look on the first page. So the first one is Hello Honey. I think that's a pretty font. We have Victoria. I like that font. So basically you can just look through here. They have a bunch up top that you can look through and click through. Just for fun, let's click through Cartoon. And see, they give you all of these options. Now, although all of these options are free, you have to remember that they're for personal use only. And if you do want to use them to put on your products to sell, you can always email the person who created the font, and they'll either give you the license or just permission to use it. Okay, but let's go back to our first page because I think it was Hello Honey. Well, it's changed already, but let's look up Hello Honey. Okay, so this is Hello Honey. It's pretty, simple. And I'm going to click download. You see the button there, download. So this box should pop up. And then you click download. And then at the top right hand side is a circle with an arrow pointing down. You're going to click that and it's going to take you to your downloads. I have my apps up, but it'll take you to your downloads. And then you're going to look for Hello Honey. See, I've downloaded a couple of fonts, so you see all of these. But let's click on Hello Honey. It gives you a folder. Let's click on that folder. Done. And I'm looking for the share button. So I hold it down and I go to the box with the arrow pointing up. And here, it pops up, where can we share it to? I'm going to share it to my iPhone. If you have an Android, you're going to share it to your Pronto. So I go find iPhone. And it's install and import. Okay. Now, let's go in here and let's find it. I think it was called Hello Honey. There it is. Hello Honey, regular. And you see it says install. So you click install here, allow, close, done. But you're not finished just yet. Now you have to go to your settings. So go to your settings. You see it says profile download. You're going to click that. Install again. There should be a pop-up at the bottom of your phone. Click install. I missed it. Let me go back. Oh, they look like it. Let's see, did it download? Hello Honey. I don't see it because I missed it. Let's go back to the top. Well, let's go back and see, did it download? So in order for it to come up in your Cricut, you're gonna have to log out and log back in. I'm gonna go to iPhones first and see, did it say installed? Let's see. It's installed. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to my Cricut, and unfortunately, you have to log out and log back in. I don't think I've ever logged out of here. Let's see, log out. All right. So let's log back in. It's just my email address. And you can log back in. You have to log out and log back in order for it to show up. I mean, if you just pull your phone down for a long period of time and then go back to it, that works too. But for the purpose of this video, and I have 2 passwords. Oh, that was it. Yay. Okay. For the purpose of this video, I have to log off and log back in. So I'm going to go back to text. Now systems. It's going to be under systems. And I can just type it in. Hello Honey. It's there now. And now let me type my name. All right. Douglas. See if it gives me that. It did not. But we see this font, this cool font. And so make it bigger. And you see how it's so spaced out. It's up to you how you want to fix that. You can do spacing, line space, letter space, and then you can go just minimize it until they're all touching. Look at that. See, I've been doing it the hard way all this time. I'm learning with you guys. And look at that, Melissa. Now, isn't that cute? So you could just play around with it. Show me what you come up with. So that's our first assignment. I want you to go in, type your name, go to thefont.com, download a font, and log out, log back in, use that font by typing your name and then comment it in the comment section. I'll comment my name also. All right. Thank you guys for taking this class. You're really going to enjoy it. This is just part 1. I just want to get you accustomed to using your Cricut, and so you won't be intimidated. But I want to see your comments below. All right. Talk to you guys later.